I know a lot of you will have made New Year's resolutions, and some will relate to exercise and health. Some will relate to work or possibly your career, and some might also relate to excuse me, your finances and your wealth creation for the year. Either way, I wanted to talk about something called the lazy tax today, and that's a tax that we're all paying. Okay, so I just want to quickly mention a recent research report that was produced by the Queensland University of Technology, QUT, and commissioned by the Heritage Bank. Now, what that showed was that Australians are paying an estimated, get this, $11.6 billion each year that they could easily avoid with a bit of time and effort, okay? Now, what does that actually mean? What that refers to is staying with your existing providers of your home loan, your banking, your utilities, things like your insurance and grocery providers as well. Now, why is it that we do this? Okay, mostly it's because we think that the process of switching is actually too hard. Okay, now Dr. Silva Goncalves from QUT actually said that apathy is the key barrier to switching across such a wide range of industries. Okay, this belief that it's too hard to switch and too costly is stopping households from saving thousands and thousands of dollars each year. Now, just to give you an example of that as it relates to your home loan, on a $600,000 home loan, just a 0.5% reduction in interest rate, for example, from 4.5% to 4%, from 4.5% to 4%, that'll save you over $63,000 in interest over the life of the loan. Okay, now that's big money in anyone's language. Okay, so I just want to touch on as well some of the benefits of switching providers, which is typically known as refinancing as it relates to your home loan. So refinancing can help you achieve a lot of important goals in your life and help you achieve them a lot sooner, okay? So you can save money, obviously, with a lower interest rate. So refinancing has the potential to put money back in your pocket. Okay, there's a very wide range of lenders and products available now, and chances are you may be able to secure a much more competitively priced home loan with a different lender. Okay, so you may actually be paying for features that you don't need or use on your current loan. So if you think you're paying too much, contact your mortgage broker and they'll be able to compare hundreds of home loans to see if you could save money by refinancing. Another reason why refinancing, or another benefit to refinancing, is streamlining your debt management. Basically what that means is looking at some form of debt consolidation. Okay, so what that would entail would be folding your high interest debts, typically things like personal loans, credit cards, car loans, into the one low rate loan, being your home loan, being your loan secured by property. It means you'll have just one set of paperwork to manage, one loan to repay, and it can also offer you really big savings in terms of interest. The interest rate on a home loan obviously is usually far lower than that you'd be paying on other types of credit, such as your credit card or your personal loan. This obviously lets you save on interest charges and may also help you pay off your debts sooner. So again, your mortgage broker can give you a clear idea of how much you could save by consolidating your debts, as well as some useful tips on how to pay off the overall balance sooner as well. Another benefit, obviously, refinancing can give you the opportunity to invest using your equity as well, the equity that you have in your existing property. Okay, so equity is basically the difference between your home's value and the balance of your mortgage. Okay, so if your home is valued at $500,000, for example, and your existing mortgage balance is $350,000, that means you've got equity of $150,000, okay? So that's money that you could use to build your wealth going forward, okay? So refinancing your home loan can be a great way to access this equity and enable you to invest in other areas such as an investment property. So again, your mortgage broker will be able to provide you with a tailored report on the current market value of your property, and that should be completely free of charge as well. One of the other benefits of refinancing is it does give you a chance to achieve your personal goals sooner, okay? So your home equity doesn't have to be used for investing. It can also be used for a wide range of other purposes as well, such as the kids' school fees, education, funding home improvements, or even taking a holiday, a trip of a lifetime, if that's what one of your goals is. Now, just wanted to touch again on how simple it actually is to refinance your existing home loan, as that seems to be the number one barrier to entry for all of us in terms of actually refinancing and looking at getting a better deal. From a lending perspective, from a home loan perspective, it couldn't be more simple, to be honest. I know a lot of people are concerned about the time and effort involved, but all you're going to need is your most recent payslip, which I'm sure everyone has readily available online, 6 months loan statements for your existing home loan with your existing lender. Again, you should be able to just download that online, and 3 months worth of statements for any debts that you want to refinance, such as your credit card. Again, you should simply be able to download that online. That's it. It's as simple as that. So as you can see, refinancing can improve your cash flow, allow you to access the equity in your property, or pay off your home loan sooner. If you're serious about making 2016 your best year yet, please give me a call, book in your free home loan health check, download those couple of documents that I mentioned in regards to your payslip and your existing loan statements. What we'll do is we'll sit down, review your current situation, source the best solution for your existing circumstances, and then we'll take care of all the paperwork and enable you to achieve your dreams sooner.